Hey guys, it's Kevin. Finally, we got a printer that can play music when nobody's around. Okay, listen. Anyway, we run a little printer repair shop in North Carolina, Greensboro, North Carolina. And if you got those weird printers, we'll be glad to hear from you. Printer can make music, printer can sing, or printer can ride a bicycle. My email address is support@bchtechnologies.com. And next video, or maybe not next, but Abby is going to take this printer apart and show you what's wrong and show you how to fix it. Adios.